3 wishes. Okay, so, Yashna, listen. Okay, so, Jollibee. Ano? Kaya mo ba? Kaya mo ba? Kaya mo ba? Okay, so for the birthday wish of Jollibee to Yashna is to grow as a smart and God-fearing as Daddy. Natiwala ka na ba? Bayad kami. Ayan, okay, so for the second wish of Jollibee to Yashna is to grow as a pretty, sexy, and mommy. Okay, so for the last wish of Jollibee to Yashna is to grow as a jolly and healthy like our kid's best friend, Jollibee. Ayan, at of course po, yung birthday surprise gift mo para kay Yashna. Yung tingnan na natin. Yashna nga, Yashna! Yashna nga! Okay, Yashna, can we open? Can we open so that we can see what's inside? Mamaya, chicken joy lang yan. Jolly yan? It's a jolly tumbler. So, yung always remember, Jollibee. Sige, open mo pa. Meron pa yan. Unboxing pala. Ayan. See? Okay, so for now po, let's have a picture taking. Start tayo na. Kids. Oh, the kids kasama kayo po.